What's going on, people? This Kelvin Kid. Today is Thursday. I'm in a few trades. I think I'm losing one. Um, but I want to talk about some of you guys that's losing a lot of money in all these in this market, and why it is not wise to be playing in these markets if you don't have your funds together, right? As far as having having your savings and a steady income. But I want to go through these pairs first, just to show you. And I'm gonna be talking about my indicator. I might just pop it up there and let you guys see it. But like I said, the strategy right here. This is a daily. Let's just say the weekly. Let's go to our weekly, and I can show you guys that better. Hold on. Right. So overall, you see we got this up candle, boom, got breach, went to my lower time frame to get a precise entry, and look, it's starting to pull back now. Not saying that it can't take out this high, but sticking to the strategy, we in the green, right? As you can see on the daily, this that up candle right here, this the whole up candle right here, boom. We got breach, pull back into it, and hopefully we can come back down. Let's just see what it look like on the 4 hour. Cause I think y'all guys be thinking I be playing when I be saying that. So that's where we at with it on the 4 hour. That's what it looked like on the 4 hour, right? See? Like I said, I don't go by these arrows. I don't even go by this line sometimes. It's just a reference, like a visual reference. Like if I know I'm far away from this, I know something is gonna happen for a pullback, right? But overall, we looking on a higher time frame, so we're not even worrying about this, right? But anyway, that's that one. Let's just go back to our 4 hour. This is our 4 hour out daily, right? Bam. It's gonna go to left to right and see what these pairs is doing and which ones I'm in. And this one, why? All right, let's take a look at it, right? Bam. Put out 4 hour. Voila. Right? So, winning that one. Overall, we on a daily. And I want to put my TP right here. I think it's going to reverse back up to this point. Alright. So this is the one we're losing. Why I'm in this buy? Let's just go do the research, right? Simple stuff. Got in here earlier, but let's go right here on the 4 hour and get more in depth into it. Consecutive. So we in that buy right there. Now let's go to another pair. So there's overall verse right here. So I'll be just taking it to this point. Right there. Our TP will be right there. And they're gonna go all the way up there. But I think this is gonna come back down. So we're just gonna be taking it up here. So we're losing that one. I'll put our stop loss right there. Alright, so the next one is EN. Alright, down. We in this one. lowest candle. Bam. As you can see, reach, boom, bam. So we should be at TP1 right now. So we basically can close this trade. But I think it's gonna come back down. So that's what we're gonna do. Come back right here. Be out that trade. Right? Hold on. But I got it up here for a reason, because I'm on my indicator. I wanna just do this right quick. GA. Alright, let's go to GA. This is my indicator, people. GA, where are you on here? Right here. Alright, so that's where we at on GA. And that's why I got it right there. So that's that one. But overall, you can see it's the same process. Alright, GJ, GU. Oh, that's the one we are in right now. Boom. UCAD. Yourself. G. And bam. That's where we at on that one. So that's basically it, people. It's the same game. You gotta play the same game over and over. Nothing special about it. But I wanted to show you guys my indicator. This is my indicator. I had to take a lot of stuff off it because it did get in the way. But we could just do this. Just delete this. We don't need that. And if you can see what I'm saying, damn, come on. You see what I'm saying? You notice a pattern, right? But overall, you don't want to just take, sales when you get above this, right? You want to take sales when you get above this line, right? Like if we know we above this, we breaking out. But overall, look at this momentum line, right? It's still going up. So you can take these trades, these sales to this line, because this is on the lower time frame. Like on the 15-minute, this is the lower time frame, and that'll be a good amount of pips. But overall, if you want that reversal, look how it broke through it and look how it started to curve, right? Once you see it start curving, you can just look for your signal, right? You can start looking for your gold signal, right? Bam. What it do? Breach, bam, it's a reversal. Boom. You can take it back down to this line, or you can take it all the way down here. Right? Simple stuff. Now we in a downtrend, right? So we don't take sales right here. You only take sales when we above momentum, right? Same game. Same game. Right? Reach, pull back, bam. Same game, people. It's the same game. Right? Breach. We below the momentum now, right? We below this bar, right? I mean this line, right? So now we just waiting for price to get below here, the momentum, to take it back up to here, right? So look, breach, pull back, voila, right? Same thing over here. Right, breach, pull back, voila. So you guys, I don't know if you guys are figuring this stuff out, but it's the same stuff that happens over and over, and most of you guys get lost in these charts by trying to know too much. Like, let me just go to a blank chart. Most of you guys are getting lost trying to know too much. Y'all want to know where it's going to reverse, where it's going to pull back to, and when it pull back, how far can it go? I mean, what exact point could it go to? But in reality, you just need to stick to something that's consistent and that repeats, so you guys can have that advantage. And you need that experience of understanding when you see your setup happening. But if a bad formation, like if a bad candle come in, you got to know when to execute that trade or when to get out that trade. And that comes with experience, so you need that. But other than that, y'all just playing with these charts because some of you guys can predict this stuff, but y'all over trading. But at the same time, man, a lot of people are trying to trade and they don't even know how to invest. They're not even investing properly. You know, some people investing little by little when that is not the right way at all, right? If you don't know how to manage your money from your paycheck, you know, you're not going to learn how to manage your money in these markets, right? So if you're getting paid, let's just say you're getting paid from your job about $1,800 every pay period, right? Your first goal, your yearly goal is to have at least $13,000 or $12,000 or even $10,000 or $13,000 every year. How you gonna do that? Saving $1,000 every month, right? That's $500 every pay period. So if you can save $500 every pay period, and that's just in counting you alone, not nobody else, $500 every pay period, right? You don't have to go spending money every week on an outfit or shoes. You gotta delay that gratitude because you already know what the overall outcome is going to be. So if you can learn how to do that, you'll have at least let's just say $10,000 or $11,000 every year, right? Easy, people, easy. So when you do start to invest, you'll have that cushion, or if an emergency happens, like a storm or something, or you just need some income, you'll have that cushion. You wouldn't have to be scrambling trying to get loans, or reach out to people for asking them for money. Can you help me out, right? You gotta be taught that. You gotta learn that stuff, because if you funding these accounts, these trading accounts with your money every month or every week or however you funding it, you know, you're putting little by little in there, but you're not really, seeing that much. Though you can make a lot of money like that, but let's be honest, a lot of people don't even know how to manage their money. So you're not investing properly, you're not saving your money properly, and you're not trading properly. So it's just a rude awakening for most people, and that's why they'll never get it. It's more than just trading in these markets. You gotta learn. You gotta have that skill of learning how to save, managing your money, like actually managing your money. And the fact that people don't have a advisor, and these so-called gurus claiming that they trading experts and financial advisors, is just ludicrous. That's why you see a lot of people losing money. But anyway, that's what I want to get at with it. At the same time, this is where I'm at, and we making it. So y'all guys get at me, like, comment, subscribe, and I get at you. We got a few more minutes, but yeah, that's where I'm at with it. This is my indicator. I just want to show you guys that that's where I'm at, and I can sometimes base trades off of that. All this stuff means something. It's just not lines. It means stuff on a higher time frame, and I gauge it off of that. And then I look for my pattern. I look for my setup when I get in a correct spot. So these arrows necessarily don't mean anything. I don't need it, but investing, I can use that as investing too. I could put a point here, and a point there, and just ride it up, right? You get above momentum, point here, ride it down, right? So that's what I'm doing in the background. You guys get at me, like, comment, subscribe.